In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unwrap faces within Blender. This is an essential technique for texturing and detailing your 3D models. So let's dive in and explore the steps involved in this process. The first thing you'll need to do is open Blender. If you're new to Blender, this is a powerful and versatile software used for 3D modeling, and it's one of the most popular tools among digital artists and developers. Once you have Blender running, you'll want to get comfortable with the interface if you're not already familiar. The main window is where you'll do most of your work, including modeling, sculpting, and rendering your projects. Next, you'll want to change to Edit mode. You can easily switch to Edit mode by selecting your object in the main window, then look for the mode in the upper left corner of the viewport. Click on the drop-down menu and choose Edit mode from the options. Edit mode is crucial because it allows you to make detailed changes to your mesh, including selecting and modifying individual vertices, edges, or faces, which is particularly beneficial for our upcoming tasks. Once you're in Edit mode, the next step is to go to the top bar of the Blender interface, where you'll find the option for UV editing. Click on UV editing, and you'll notice that the interface layout changes to help you focus specifically on this task. This mode provides a split-screen view, with one window showing the 3D model and the other displaying the UV layout. This setup is very effective for working on the textural details of your model. Now, identify the face or faces on your model that you wish to unwrap. You can do this by selecting them directly in the 3D view. If you have a complex mesh, remember that you can hold down the Shift key to select multiple faces at once. Selecting the correct faces is critical because it determines where and how the texture will apply to your model. With your desired faces selected, it's time to press the U key on your keyboard. This shortcut opens up the Unwrap menu, which presents you with several unwrapping options. Depending on your model and texture needs, you can choose from options like Unwrap, Smart UV Project, Light Map Pack, or others. Each option serves different purposes, so don't hesitate to experiment with them to find which one best suits your design. By following these straightforward steps, opening Blender, switching to Edit mode, selecting UV editing, choosing your faces, and finally unwrapping, you're well on your way to creating beautifully textured 3D models. Thanks for tuning in, and happy modeling!